small introduction. The Braja Gopis are describing how they are attracted to Sri Krishna's beauty and features, but not as enjoyers of Krishna's beauty, and not as exploiters of Krishna's beauty and charm. Because the gopis are coming as servants with a straw between their teeth. Dante Trina, with a straw between their teeth. They have come as servants of Krishna to please and satisfy Krishna, not to enjoy Krishna, and not to use him for their personal pleasure. That's why after describing all of his completely captivating and seductive and tasty, beautiful, sweet features that would make any woman in the universe mad with desire, all the way from the aboriginal Palinda women in the forest to the Devis and the higher planets of Swarga, all the way to Lakshmi and the Vaikuntha. They're all mad with desire to love and embrace and dance with Krishna. But not like any of them. The gopis are coming, Bhavamadasi, Bhavamadasya. We see all your beauty and we appreciate all your beauty, Shyam Sundar, but we just want to serve you.